Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you yet another Purplle haul, and this time I have bought some skincare and some makeup products. So I wanted to share those things with you. So if you are interested to know what I have bought in this haul, so please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, the skincare products which I have bought this time are mainly from Good Vibes, and rest are the makeup items. So the first item which I want to show you guys is a pomegranate gel from Good Vibes. So I have used their orange gel and I quite like that. So I wanted to try this one this time. So I bought this one, and these gels are available in many other variants. So you get aloe vera gel, orange gel, pomegranate, watermelon, and so many others. So I really wanted to try this one and I bought this. I have just used it for once, and Good Vibes products are mainly paraben and SLS free, and those are also cruelty free. So for those of you who are conscious about these things, so I think Good Vibes is a very good brand for you, and it is really very affordable guys. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I have bought all these things with my own money. So you are getting a cap, a golden cap like this, and this is a plastic packaging guys. Though it looks like a glass, but it is not a glass packaging, it's completely plastic packaging. So you get the lid here, and then again you get a small lid, and here is the gel. It is a very nice pinkish kind of gel, and this smells really very nice. I don't think that it smells like pomegranate, not at all, but I really like it. It is really very nice, and when you put it on your finger, it is completely transparent. As you can see, it doesn't have any tint. Actually it has a little bit of, very much little bit of pink tint. It's not visible that much. So it is really very nice and moisturizing. I really like this. I just used one or two times I think. So this is the first product, and Good Vibes gels are really nice. I mean I have used the orange one and I really like this one, so I bought the this pomegranate one. So guys, I forgot to mention the price. So this pomegranate gel retails for 175 rupees, and I got this on a very good discount, and that is 95 rupees only. And I think that it's worth the money, because you are getting a good amount of product in this. And this is also available in some bigger sizes, but I picked the smaller one because I have already the orange gel with me, and I didn't use that so much. I have used that I think 5 to 6 times only. So I didn't want to buy the bigger one of this, so I just bought the smaller one. And if you are buying anything for the first time, I will really recommend you to buy the smallest version available of that product. So next up I have this strawberry scrub from Good Vibes, and this retails for 175 rupees, and I got this on a discount at 105 rupees, and that's a good deal. And guys, Good Vibes scrubs are my favorite nowadays, because I'm really using Good Vibes scrubs and I really love them, because they have really very small and rounded apricot shells in them. So guys, you should not use any scrub which has sharp and bigger apricot shells in them, so you can hurt your skin or damage your skin by that. So for that, these scrubs are really very good, and I can highly recommend these scrubs to you, because they don't irritate your skin, they don't damage your skin, and at the same time they keep your skin very moisturized and hydrated. They don't feel dry at all, at least on my skin, and I have a very acne prone and oily type of skin, and my skin is really very sensitive. So I am just letting you know whether you can relate to my skin type or not. I don't know how this will work on the dry skin ones, but if you are oily skin like me, I think you will not be disappointed if you use this. And for the dry skin ones, I don't think that this will not work for you, because this is really very good. This keeps your skin moisturized, so even if you feel dry after using it, you can surely apply some moisturizer or aloe vera gel after using scrub. So that's really convenient. So I'm just showing you the consistency of this. And most of the Good Vibes products comes in this kind of packaging. So again, you get a lid, a second lid, and here is the product. And this smells really very nice, guys. Oh my god, I just love this smell. I mean, this exactly smells like strawberry, and the smell is not overpowering, because I'm just letting you know, because some people are really sensitive to fragrances, so this will not irritate you guys. This is really very nice. This has a very subtle and good smell, you know. So after using these scrubs, my skin feels really fresh and I really love them. So the next product is also a scrub, and this is the lime and basil scrub. So this again retails the same, and I got it on the same price, 105 rupees. So here is the consistency, and this one is also very nice, guys. It's just the flavor is different, but the consistency is the same. So next up I have two face masks for me. So I have this charcoal face mask and this rose face mask, and this both retails for 235 rupees each, and I got this on a very good discount at 125 rupees only. So that's a very good deal. So you are getting a very good amount here in just 125 rupees, and these face masks are really very nice. And I will not say that these are the best face masks. So these are actually clay based face masks. I will not say that these are the best, but these are very nice. I mean, I really like this because I mean, especially I like this charcoal one, because when I apply this rose one, and I also have two other face masks from Good Vibes, which I have shown you in my previous haul. And if you haven't seen my previous purple haul, I will attach that in the I button. Just go and click it if you want to see. So I really love this charcoal one over this rose one, because when I apply this rose one and the other two face masks which I have, I just feel a little bit of tingling sensation for the first 30 to 45 seconds around my nose and mouth. So after 45 seconds or just 30 seconds, the tingling sensation is completely gone. But when I apply this face mask, the charcoal one, I don't feel any tingling sensation, and that's why I want to give this a big thumbs up. And I really love this one, and you can surely give it a try. So the next product from Good Vibes is this face wash. This is a foaming face wash, and this is in the variant Neem, and this retails for 215 rupees, and I got this on a 100 rupee discount. So I got this on 115 rupees only, and you are getting a very good amount, as you can see. So this is actually a foaming face wash. So you have to remove the cap, and this cap is really very sturdy, and you are getting a pump here. So you have to pump it, and you will get the foam, and then you have to apply it gently on your face. Just massage it for just few seconds, maximum 30 seconds, then just wash it off, and you are good to go. So I have just used it for just once, so I really can't give the proper review of this, but the first impression is good, I think. So I have to use this for a couple of times, I mean not couple of times, for couple of weeks, to give a proper review of this. So please stay tuned for that. So that was all the skincare item which I bought, and those all are from Good Vibes. And Good Vibes is a really very affordable brand, so you can surely give it a shot if you want. And now let's see the makeup items which I bought. I don't have very much, I have just a few items. So the first one is this nail paint, and this is from Bella Voste. So Bella Voste is again a very affordable makeup brand, and I really love the products which I have used till now from Bella Voste, and those are really very affordable. And this nail polish is again retails for 99 rupees only, and I got this even in a very good discount at 65 rupees. So I think that's really very affordable for a nail polish, and this is really very beautiful. I mean, it looks very beautiful. I didn't apply it on my nails till now, so I don't know how will it works. I mean, how long it will stay. So I think it will be a good one. So the next product in makeup category, I got again something from Bella Fosse, and this is a quite interesting product, guys. So this is a mascara from Bella Fosse, and I will show you the interesting part. So this retails for 350 rupees, and I got this on a very good discount again, guys. So I got this on 175 rupees only. So this is the packaging, and here is the product. So I really love the packaging, guys. This looks really very classy and sleek. So now let me show you the interesting part. So when you open it, you are getting a normal spoolie, as you can see. And can you see, here is a extended part which you have to twist. So you have to twist it like this, and just look at this. Can you see, guys? It is twisted. The spoolie is twisted. So it is really very easy to apply mascara on your lower lash line. So I really love this feature, and this is really interesting, guys. And I have used it just for once, but I really love this one. And this is waterproof mascara, and this really gives a nice volume to your lashes. And then after using it, you have to twist it back, and it comes in its original shape, and then you have to close it. So that's it, guys. This is really very nice and cool. So next I got myself some products from Stay Quirky. So Stay Quirky is again a brand which is really affordable, and I really love the mini lipsticks of Stay Quirky, and as well as the other products which I have tried till now, and especially the mini lipsticks are just love, guys. So I have bought this 2 mini lipsticks from Stay Quirky this time. So this retails for 235 rupees each, and I got this on a discount at 135 rupees. So I got 100 rupees off on each lipsticks. So these are also available in bigger version, but I prefer the mini ones because that's how I can check many other shades and at the cheaper rate. So I prefer the mini ones. So the packaging is really very quirky and nice, and the inner packaging is again very cute. So this is a coral kind of shade, as you can see, and the packaging is really very cute. This is so small packaging, and the spoolie is also very nice and convenient. And let me show you the swatch. So the formula of these lipsticks are really very nice. These don't feel sticky or drying on your lips. So I really love the formula of these liquid lipsticks, and that's the shade. This is very nice, and this shade will suit on every skin type, whether you are fair or dusky or even darker. So this will suit every skin type. And the next shade is kind of pink. So this is a very nice pinkish color, and let me show you the swatch. I really love the two shades, guys. Just see. And even I am wearing this on my lips now. So I really love this one. The formula is really nice, guys. Trust me, you will not be disappointed if you buy this one. So you can surely give this a shot. These are available in so many colors, guys. You can choose whichever you like. So next I have a eye pencil from Stay Quirky. So this is the packaging, and here is the product. So this is the eye pencil, so you can apply it on your lower lash line, even as your eyeliner, and even you can apply it all over your lid as a eyeshadow, and then you have to blend it nicely and you are done, guys. If you are someone who don't like to do a complete eye makeup look, and if you are beginner, then you can surely give this eye pencils a try, and these are available in so many cool colors. And I picked this violet one. Let me show you the swatch. I haven't used it on my eyes till now, so I don't know the staying power and all that, but the shade is really very nice, guys. Just look at this. The shade is really nice, and I am looking forward to try the other shades of this range. And these are so affordable, guys, because these kind of pencils, if you are going to buy from Nykaa or from some other brands, they cost you easily 300 rupees. So guys, the next and the last product is again a lipsticks, and this is also from Stay Quirky. And please guys, don't judge me for this, because this is something different from my taste. I normally don't use this kind of color. So this is a blue color lipstick, guys, and I have used this lipstick from Stay Quirky in a pink shade. I think I forgot actually. Yeah, I have a pink shade from this range. So here is the packaging, and this packaging is really nice, guys. These are color coded, and this retails for 325 rupees, and I got this on a discount at 135 only. And the formula of these lipsticks are not very good. I am not very impressed with the formula, but I really wanted to try the color, so I bought this one. And I will not say that these lipsticks are bad. These are kind of okay type. So I wanted to check out the color, because I don't have any color like this. So please don't judge me, guys. I just want to try this, not in my videos, but when I am shooting some Instagram photos or something like that, then I think I will use this. And if I do, I will attach a picture on the screen, so you can check out how the color is looking on me. So this is the color, guys. So this is a blue color. So this is completely out of my comfort zone, but I still wanted to give it a try. So let me show you the swatch of it. The formula is kind of okay type, as I have said, and this is kind of creamy matte lipsticks, and this does transfer on your hand. This is not non-transfer lipsticks. These are creamy matte formula. So that's the color. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos, you will get notified. And also comment down below what you think of my videos. That will really make my day. And if you have any further suggestions for me, please feel free to share that. And also share this video with your friends, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links will be in the description. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye, guys.